Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word emigrating. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After completing his studies, he decided to emigrate to Australia in search of better job opportunities. Emigrating means permanently leaving one's own country to settle in another, usually for better economic or social opportunities. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.